Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and I have Neela and Ramya with me today for a round of word search puzzle. So we play word search puzzle with a little twist. We have a set of questions here in this bowl. All you have to do is pick the chit out, read out the question, give me the answer. If you're not able to find the answer, I'll help you a bit. And the answer is what you have to find in the puzzle. All right, that's how simple the game is. As you keep finding the answers, pick out the next chits until the chits are over here in the bowl. The game continues. There is no time limit. All right. That doesn't mean we can sit all day and keep finding. So be faster because the one having finding the maximum words is the winner for the day. All right.
Done.
Okay. So let's see who wins today in this quiz of word search puzzle. All right, ladies, ready?
Yes.
All right. Yay. Okay, even I'm ready now. All right, let's go. Pick out your chits first and read out your questions. Yeah. Yes, Ramya, read it.
Which unsinkable ship sank in the Atlantic Ocean in 1912?
What is
Titanic.
It? Titanic. Okay, wait up. Don't flip the paper.
Which animal is the tallest in the world? Giraffe.
Yes. All right. Go, ladies. Let it be. Go. Let's start. Giraffe is what Neela is finding, and Titanic is what Ramya is finding. Ramya has already found it. Come on, next. Go.
What is India's national flower? Lotus.
Yes, go. Find it. Lotus. Okay, let's go. Faster. Come on, Neela. Giraffe. Tallest animal. You should find it like this. Come on.
What
Then
logic?
you have to make it like this, no?
Come on. Question I made like that. Answer find pandrathu is on you, pa.
Can't find the blooming thing.
Let him bloom out. Come on.
She found it.
Not yet.
Yes, she did.
Appa. Yes, okay. Neela has come to the second one. Ramya is still on the lotus. Come on, Neela. Next. Okay, let's see.
This zodiac sign is represented by a lion.
Ramya's zodiac sign.
Ayyo.
Preeti zodiac sign.
Preeti is a.
August.
Napa, can I go to next question?
No, you have to find it.
Please. Hey, this
Vertical, horizontal, diagonal,
Ayyo.
upside down. Come on, Neela. There are Geminis. Okay, it's a 3-letter word
3-letter word.
and starts with L only. Baki 2 letters you guess no. What is it? Give the answer.
Leo, yeah.
Leo, yes, she got it. Leo. It's okay, sometimes it happens, it just doesn't. I found Leo, yaar. I'm not able to find Lotus, Ramya. I don't like this. Right, okay, let's find it out. Come on. Can't be that difficult, can it? No. Okay, she's got it. Go, Neela.
The only country in the world whose name starts with
Q.
Qatar.
Yes. Ooh, come on, Neela. Gosh, this is crazy. One lotus we can't find, Ramya.
You've done this on purpose.
The question came to you. You picked it up. What did I do?
It is here only, huh?
She found it. Go next. Okay. Yes.
I found it.
Found it? Okay, go. Next. Okay, even you were finding Qatar. Okay, you got it too. Alright, next. Come on. Okay.
What is the capital of Pakistan?
Say the answer.
Islamabad.
Go. Read.
God, I almost said Lahore.
What was the recently conducted operation by India called in response to the
Pahalgam
terror attack?
Operation?
Sindoor.
Yes. So, Sindoor is what you have to find. Okay.
Which country has
You
the
found.
largest population of tigers? India.
Yes. Go. Next. Come on, Neela. Oh, you found it. Sindoor.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, go.
What is the name for the mountain that erupts with lava? Mountain name. huh?
I mean, generically, not a specific mountain. What is it called? When lava erupts.
Wait. I'm not getting the name.
Okay, she's got India. Starts with V. Come on.
Volcanic.
Yeah.
What is the process by which liquid changes to gas?
Science.
Evaporation.
Yes, go. Come on.
My knowledge has not evaporated.
Thankfully. So you should be able to find this one. Come on. Ooh, found it. Go, Ramya. Hey, Neela also got it. Volcano. Go next.
FIFA is the governing body of which sport? Football.
Go.
What kind of animal is Disney monkey?
Mickey.
Chi.
This is Mickey. What animal is it? Mickey?
That's her.
Mouse.
Yeah, mouse. I'm not the mouse though. Yeah, Mickey. Yes. Okay, go, mouse.
Like automatically like comes
Monkey. Ama. Football. Okay, Ramya's got football. Go. Okay, come on.
Which South Indian actor is called the superstar Rajnikant? Is it Rajni or Rajnikant?
Rajnikant.
Rajnikant. But wait.
He can anything because he's the superstar. Go. Go. What are we finding, Neela?
mouse.
Mouse. Okay.
It's always difficult. Mice always hide.
Yes.
So
Before it runs away, please find it.
That is what I'm also trying.
Go. She's finding mouse. She's finding Rajnikant. The world has got the superstar.
Yes,
And
sir.
so has Ramya. She's found it. Go.
which is the only food item that can never go bad or spoil? This is too much.
This is very simple.
Which cannot spoil.
Yes. Okay, you want me to give you a clue? It's
Yes.
sweet. You continue. You don't listen here. You continue. Go.
Curd.
Huh? Curd is not sweet, Ramya. Okay, it's
It
something
gets spoiled also, no?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's word.
Okay, it is taken from the flowers by the bees.
Okay, got it. Honey.
Yes, honey. Honey is a food that will never spoil. So you can keep it like for a longest period and still it doesn't go bad. Honey it is.
Sorry, honey.
Found it! Yay! Who's gonna get this last one? Yeah! Neela got it! Okay.
Which is the 7th planet in the solar system?
Go.
I found.
She's found it.
She found it.
But you have to tell the answer first. Which is it? Neela? There are 8 planets now. Mercury,
Something else.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Dash, and Neptune. Neptune. I've left only one planet named Neptune. Okay. Neela is
wait.
very, very under complete pressure. It is okay. And we have Ramya here who didn't pick the chick but has found the answer.
Before I started the quiz.
Starts with you.
Chai.
Give it out now at least.
Uranus.
Uranus, yes. Neela's got it now. She knows she's searching for Uranus. Go, come on.
Okay.
It's okay, we understand the pressure of being on a quiz show and not being able to find the answer. Uranus, have you found it in the puzzle yet, guys? Yes, Neela found it too. Alright. So we have successfully completed the puzzle. Now let's count who's got more. Looks almost similar. Okay, let's go. We'll count Ramya's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll count Neela's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6, 7, 8. 6 and 7. Oh, just by
So
one. Ramya has got 8, and this puzzle is Ramya. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this quiz, were able to answer along with the participants, and had as much fun as they did finding the answers, trying to, actually spot it. All right. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our latest games and videos. Until then, we'll see you in another quiz. Bye.